Hi guys, welcome back to the shop. Fixing to upload this video. Well, I'm uploading this video. The last video I put up where I was walking around the house closing vents, I told you I was having trouble. I'm gonna split this thing up in two parts because I still can't get it up. I still can't get it to do what I want it to do. And I've cut and spliced and cut and spliced, and so anyway, here it comes. Enjoy the video, and then that's about it, man. Hang on, it'll be a two-parter. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. It's Friday. Mr. Lars is here.
Hello, people.
We got underneath the back of this thing. Well, we tightened everything down like we were supposed to. We got one shock off. Yeah, gonna have to cut the other one off.
Yeah, it's on there.
Yeah. Getting them springs in and out's gonna be fun too, but it'll just be what it is. But anyway, we're gonna hit the front part of this stuff and start playing with this motor. Hang on. What we're fixing to do is we're gonna jerk the air conditioner off, flip this around. While I'm messing with that, Mr. Lars is gonna take the fan off, try to get the fan shroud on. As soon as we get all that done, we're gonna start it up, just timing, start playing with that carburetor, try to get that done, and I think there was something else, but hey, we're gonna take you along for the ride on that one. Dummy me, broke my phone holder again, so I couldn't do anything, I couldn't video anything under the truck, so hang on, here we go. All right guys, here we go. Let's get this air compressor off here, so I can flip it valve cover back around. All right. You might be able to. Did I put 3 of them in there? No, just 2.
Give her a little wiggle.
That one will be the pain in the butt because all the weight's on it. You got her. All right. Yeah. I can't believe how much that thing weighs.
There she is.
I bet that thing's 50 pounds. Oh no, give me my socket.
You can have it.
All right. Well, now what do I do with the 3/8 or 7/16? Oh,
Hide it from
I
the
gotta go
shell
get it.
again.
I gotta go get it. You gotta talk to him, Mr. Lars. You can't leave him standing there, man, wondering what you're doing.
I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing myself.
Now, let's see.
What you say?
Yeah, these valve covers came with their own bolts, but they're too long. But trying to get these out, now I understand. Come on.
How long is them?
They're only about a half inch.
Oh, yeah.
And those ones are way longer.
That'd be a bit too long.
Don't break your knuckle, man.
No.
All right, well anyway, Mr. Lars trying to get the fan off because you got to take the fan off, put the fan shroud on. It's all got to go in as one unit. Yeah, I see exactly what.
Got them broke loose.
Cheap valve covers.
Original.
Yeah, I'd rather kept the originals on here.
A little paint job on it.
Exactly. That was going to be a pain in the butt no matter what. Come on. All right. Yeah. Oh, I remember what it was we got to do. Hook up the passenger cable. Let's not forget about that one. All right.
Get that little bracket on there.
Well, all right. All we're doing here is flipping this thing around after I clean all the dirt off of it. Yeah. There you go. Put the bolts back in that. Mr. Lars finished getting this fan off. We'll do something different. All right, guys. What I was talking about on them long screws. When they sent the valve covers, they sent, I don't know if you can see it, but they sent cap screws. Oh, I got one in here. But if I come up here, you see that thing's still about, what, 3/16 longer. And I was worried about that, but they're tightening down. So I'm gonna finish tightening that down. Mr. Lars is ready to start sticking this in. So just hang on, we're gonna get this done pretty quick. I might have to stop and help him because I know it's putting that thing in is a pain in the butt.
Need more than 2 hands.
I think you might need more than 4. All right, let's see.
We're gonna have to find a day laborer.
But he wanted these holders put on here because he thought they looked cool. So that's what I'm doing, people.
They add horsepower.
That's it, man. I think we put these on both sides, we'll get at least 20 more. I'm telling you, man, that ain't fun. Watch. I knew it. You might as well stop right there.
Yep. Hang on.
All right, hang on, guys. This is going to turn into something else, but we got it. I'm getting this done. Ha! Oh, there you go. You got it in backwards. No.
Come on.
Oh, shit.
I was thinking you set upside down, huh? It looks the same both ways. Let's try it this way first.
Crap. All right. We got our valve cover back on. Not putting the air conditioner back on because we got it's full of R12 oil. We're going to 134, so we got to drain that out.
Flush it.
Then fill it up with stuff that's compatible with the R34 or 134A. PCV. Power booster. All right, man. He's fighting with this fan. Get the fan in there first, man. Trust me. It's gonna be close. It's gonna be close.
It is close.
All right, hang on. Wait a minute. Come in on this side. I knew this wasn't taking me a second. You got it?
Yeah.
What's holding us over here?
Is it that hose?
I think it is.
Let's see.
Right here.
Yeah. It's on
Hey, that's gonna work this time.
all the way down in that clip down there.
No, that ain't what I'm saying. There we go.
Hey.
Hey, that fan shroud's gonna work. We have one we had on here from the GM dealer. He bought quite a few years ago. And no matter what we did, it wouldn't fit. This one's gonna fit. Oh, Yeah, once you tighten it down, man, it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
It's falling away.
Right.
I think it's gonna be perfect. All right, give us a few minutes, man. We're gonna bolt this up and we'll move on to something else here. All right, guys, Mr. Lars is gonna put the hook up for the passing gear over here. I had what I needed to hook this all up, and I've set it down somewhere and can't find it. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna put some gas in this thing. We're gonna fire it up and I guess let it warm up real quick. Put the time into it. Brace her up 2. Adjust the carburetor a little bit. See if we can't finalize everything. I got a valve cover bolt hole over there. I got to tap out. Something's wrong in there. Then all the valve cover stuff's done. PCV valve's done. All this. We got to change the oil in the compressor before we put it back on here. Yep, that's about it though. So I'm gonna leave y'all with Mr. Lars. I know he ain't gonna talk to you because he's kind of shy.
All right.
But I'm gonna put some gas in this thing. That way, as soon as he gets that done, we'll fire this thing up.
Oh. We're gonna have to get another angle on there over here. I guess it went on the upper one, didn't it?
Those in the biggest hole.
I think that's the biggest.
One closest to the spring.
Yeah. Alrighty. Got that on there. There's a little bit of play in it though. Maybe when you tighten that down. She might tighten up. She thirsty?
5 gallon gas takes a little long to pull.
Man. It's those new gas cans. Was she thirsty?
Thirsty ain't the word for it. I can't believe just what little bit we worked on this thing. It run out 17 gallons of gas.
She ain't a Prius.
Now, what William say got on the truck? He goes, this thing don't pass a gas station.
It always wants to stop. Got that on there. Now we can just get that little bolt right here to hold this little bracket right there. Slide that cable through there, hook her up. We'll be done right there.
I'm tired of holding gas can up. It's got 7 gallons in it. It ought to add at least 5 of them.
Yeah. She might get down the street.
Oh, Lord. Yeah, that's all that's left of it, man.
Yep.
Just if it had that screw, all that'd be done too. Well, let me go get some keys. You will hook that positive cable up. I don't leave it hooked on here because last time I did it went dead. So hang on.
There might be a parasitic draw somewhere.
Alright guys, well, let's start this thing up, and like I said, get it up to operating temperature. Then we're gonna adjust that timing. Take it with the carburetor and see if we can't get that little popping out of it. Hang on.